In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect AirPods to iPhone 13. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which model of AirPods you have or which iPhone you are using, you will be able to connect them together with ease. The AirPods are designed to easily connect to any iPhone model. So the main way to do this is to simply open your AirPods case while you have them in close proximity with your iPhone. So as soon as you open the lid on the case, they will be detected by the iPhone nearby. And all that you have to do afterwards is tap the connect option. It's as simple as connecting them together like this. When you tap connect, they will now be used to output all of the audio on your iPhone. There is no secret to this, and it is going to work with any iPhone model, including the iPhone 13. If this does not work, however, then you will need to do an extra step. Go over to the settings on your iPhone and access the Bluetooth category. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Now see if the pop-up appears again, but if it still doesn't, while the AirPods are inside of the case, press and hold a physical button. Usually it is going to be at the back side of the case. When you press and hold this button, it is going to enable Bluetooth pairing mode. Now, while the AirPod case or the AirPods themselves are in Bluetooth pairing mode, you can select them from the list of available devices. So you choose the option to connect with the AirPods, and immediately upon doing this manual connection, you will also be able to listen to all of the audio being output on your iPhone through the set of AirPods that you connected. It is going to work with any iPhone model, and you only have to do this if they aren't automatically detected. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect iPhone 13 to AirPods. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.